David Weil, owner of Phoenix Calibration Lab in the Dominican Republic. We provide instrumentation services all over Latin America. We had a wealth of operational information, but difficulty getting it organized and in front of middle management. And so we needed to build out business intelligence dashboards so that our management could keep track of metrics and progress towards metrics on a real-time basis in order to make data-driven decisions. It speaks for itself that we've had a business relationship for probably over 5 years now, or close to 5 years now. The project then entailed, after many meetings, the project turned out to build out the Google Data Studio, or Locker, as it is now, business intelligence dashboards. And ever since, it was 2 years working hand by hand with Tomas. He was extremely thorough, and the goal was achieved. We have best in class, I would say, in the industry, business intelligence. Our employees and middle management know where they stand, know where the metrics are, our turnaround time on services, employees, customer satisfaction, a billion other metrics. We have most dashboards in the industry. Everybody is fully equipped to make data-driven decisions, which was the end goal. So in conclusion, I would highly recommend you guys work with Dataquimia. They have been excellent, and we hope to continue this business relationship far into the future.